Gold is one of the most valuable metals on Earth. For thousands of years, people have fought wars, built empires, and even destroyed civilizations in pursuit of this shiny yellow metal. But have you ever wondered where the gold in rings, necklaces, and gold bars actually comes from? How many tons of rock must be mined to obtain just a few grams of gold? And what processes are involved in transforming raw ore deep underground into a gleaming gold bar? In today's video, we will explore how gold is extracted from mines and discover just how fascinating the entire process really is. The journey begins with the search for gold. Gold is not found everywhere on Earth. Geologists spend years researching and identifying areas with potential gold deposits. They collect soil samples, analyze rocks, and use advanced technologies to detect the presence of gold beneath the surface. In many cases, discovering a profitable gold deposit can take several years. Once it is confirmed that sufficient gold exists underground, mine construction begins. If the gold deposit is located close to the surface, an open pit mine is developed. This involves removing layers of soil and rock to create a massive pit. From a distance, these mines look like enormous scars carved into the Earth's surface. However, if the gold is located much deeper underground, an underground mine is constructed. Tunnels are excavated hundreds of meters below the surface, allowing workers and heavy machinery to access the ore. Some mines are so deep that miners must use elevators to travel underground. The next step is extracting the gold-bearing ore. Explosives are used to break apart the rock, and giant haul trucks transport the ore to processing facilities. Surprisingly, a single ton of rock may contain only a few grams of gold. This means enormous quantities of ore must be mined to recover relatively small amounts of the precious metal. Once the ore reaches the processing plant, it undergoes crushing and grinding. Large crushers break the rock into smaller pieces, and powerful grinding mills reduce those pieces into a fine powder. This is necessary because the gold particles are often trapped inside the rock and must be liberated before they can be recovered. The most important stage comes next. Separating the gold from the surrounding material. In some operations, gravity separation is used. Since gold is much heavier than most other minerals, specialized equipment can separate it based on weight. However, the most widely used method in modern gold mining is cyanide leaching. In this process, finely ground ore is placed into large tanks and treated with a cyanide solution. The solution dissolves the gold contained within the ore. Through a series of chemical and mechanical processes, the dissolved gold is then recovered from the solution. At this stage, the recovered gold is not yet completely pure. It may still contain silver, copper, and other metals. Therefore, the material is sent to a smelter, where it is heated to extremely high temperatures, often exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius. As the gold melts, impurities are separated, resulting in a much purer product. The gold then undergoes refining, where advanced chemical and electrolytic methods are used to achieve purity levels as high as 99.99%. After refining, the molten gold is poured into special molds. Within minutes, it solidifies into brilliant gold bars. Each bar is stamped with important information, including its weight, purity, and the name of the refinery. the journey of gold does not end there. These gold bars are distributed to banks, investment firms, jewelry manufacturers, and industrial companies. They are eventually transformed into jewelry, coins, electronic components, and many other products used around the world. One of the most astonishing facts is that producing a small gold ring can require the mining and processing of thousands of tons of rock. Behind every piece of gold jewelry lies years of exploration, immense labor, and sophisticated technology. So the next time you see a gold ring, necklace, or gold bar, remember that it is more than just a precious metal. It is the result of a remarkable journey that began deep beneath the Earth's surface and passed through countless stages before reaching its final form. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video with another amazing story from the world around us.